Hi my lovely, so this is just another quick video. It's one of the evening weekly resets of a family of 2 working parents and 3 children. As you can see, I hadn't done any washing up today, so I caught up on that. It was a bit of a busy day at work, so I didn't get to do it before I started. So first things first, I started prepping veg, the Mediterranean veg, and some flavoured meat, roast potatoes, and there's also some broccoli and carrots as well, just to keep those 5 a day in with us. From there, after I prepared tea, I got the washing up sorted, ironing folded, the washing that had been done today, or over the last few days, folded, ironed and put away. And then from there, what I had to do, well, I didn't have to do, I decided to just do a bit of a quick clean of the house to make sure we're on top of it, because it's very easy for this house to get overrun by stuff. But yep, there we are. Got through it pretty quickly because it's all time lapse there. Bit of ironing, putting away. So yeah, it's quite tough when you've done a full day at work trying to do this, but it's worth it because it makes it easier at the weekend. And I had to make the boys lunch because he takes pet lunches.